Hi, my name is Noel Davis with World Composting, and today we're going to plant the Keter bin that I showed in one of my assembly videos, along with some of the plants that I grew in seeds. I think I had a video of some of them, but most of those died, so I had to replant and start over. But these are seeds that I started in my basement. We're going to plant those in this bin. So let's take a look at this bin and see how it looks here. So here we go. Here's our bin. I'm going to move this over just a little bit. So there's our bin here. The first thing we have to do is we have to add dirt. So I bought this organic raised bed mix. This is 2 cubic feet. I bought 2 of them. So we're going to see how well this works. So we're going to dump this in now. How are you? This looks like it has a lot of really big wood chips in it, surprisingly. We're going to need one more. I think we're supposed to get up to sort of these ridges here. It looks a little bit drier. Let's just see how this looks. Might need to add a little bit more. I wasn't expecting to have to say branches like this in this bin, these bags, or I should say. I thought these would be more soil-like than they are. But we're going to try this out anyhow. I can always add a little bit of soil maybe on the top if I need to. But hopefully maybe this will, with this consistency, maybe they'll hold that moisture a little better. So let's add a little bit more here. I think that looks about right. Rock. All right, that's good for now. So what we're going to do is I have these plants right here. The lettuce isn't doing very good, but these plants over here are. So I'm going to rip these off. They're just egg sections. And I'm going to plant these here along this back side. And these were just started with coconut coir. And now these can grow up and over this, and there's another 5 feet to the bottom in the ground down there, so they can just keep growing and grow over that, and I won't mind as long as they don't reach the yard really. So actually, you know what, I'm going to move this one over just a little bit more. Put these just a little bit further apart. So there's the first ones that we're starting here. And I'm just going to plant these large ones right along the back here. I think these are if I remember right, cantaloupe seeds. So these seem to do really well in this potting medium that I was using. This one actually maybe just on the other side of this. And I think we have a couple peppers, so I'm going to plant some of those over here as well on this back row. We're going to have a mix of stuff. I think this is a pepper. Now, not everything came in, as you can tell. Let me move this over a little bit so maybe you can see a little better. Not everything came in, and some of these are kind of weak, so I don't know if I'm going to plant those. I think this is probably one of the stronger ones. This side didn't do as well as this side did, but still certain plants seem to just do much better than others, so I'm going to plant the ones that did well. So I'm going to rip this one off here. Look at that. I think those were the root system. Wow. Put that in there. Oh. So the sun, by the way, comes from this angle right here. So these might be in the shade a little bit. They're going to get a lot of southern sun here, so they're going to get quite a bit of light. So I'm hoping that helps these plants do well. I'm going to plant a couple of these as well that don't have anything coming up, just to see if they maybe come out from being outside maybe a little bit. So I'm going to just kind of cover that up. Plant this one right here. That's the last one in this row, back row here, and I plant it right here in the corner. There you go. It's another rock. I'd say this soil isn't the best. It says organic soil, but it might be organic, but it's very, very rocky, which I'm not real happy with. So let's just grab another one of these. I'm going to sort of plant this one. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to sort of plant these on the back side over there. Right here in between these. Now the question is, can I get any of these out? Yeah, I think these don't have enough of a root system. I think I'm going to have to plant some of these in, I think, by themselves with some of these seeds for the grass. I mean, the lettuce that I have, it looks like grass right now. We're going to plant a couple more of these. And we'll see, can we get this one out? As I do this, I'm trying to back away a little bit so I don't crush any of the plants I just put in. So we're going to dig this one up as well. This one right here. And that one looks like it pretty much died. The last one right here, I think. Put it right here on the edge on this side. I'm not sure if you can see that or not. And I think that's all we're going to do for today. The other ones didn't look like they made it. I'm going to obviously water this. It's already starting to dry out a bit. I'm going to add more seeds over here probably. Since they're not doing well in my basement, I'm going to add the lettuce seeds right directly out here and try to water them out here and see if they come up by